Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to stop 18 plus content on Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, go to your Telegram. Next, you can see that three dot icon. Tap on this icon. After that, go to your phone setting, Telegram setting. Next, tap on chat setting. Scroll down here. You can see that show 18 plus content. Tap on this icon. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.